Hello everyone, welcome to part 197 of Ecom series in Laravel 6, and we will continue integrating PayU money payment gateway in our Ecom website. And in this video we are going to do the API for the first time, that is the transactional status API for PayU money. Okay, so the purpose of API is like if user makes the payment from PayU money, okay, and after making the payment, in case the status not updated to payment captured due to some reason, due to error from the PayU money end, or due to some error from the user browser or user internet, okay, so in any case, if the amount has been deducted from user account but his status not updated to paid or to payment captured, then this API will come into play. This API will update the status of user automatically after every half an hour. It is going to check and will update the status. Okay, so so we are going to do this API. I will show you here. Okay, I'm going to show you that how this API will work. I'm going to open here admin panel as well. Okay, so that it will be more clear to you. So let's open the admin panel. Okay, so here I am going to open this one, admin panel. Okay, here you can see view orders. Okay, yeah, here see the order status is paid here, but we want this one like this. Yeah, see, in case of PayU money, see our various orders have are payment captured. You can see the PayU money payment captured, PayU payment captured. That is fine. But if in case, see this one, payment failed PayU money, and for this order, if in case, or you can pick out this order, if no response comes from the PayU money at end, then or if the user makes the payment, but the status not updated here, means status not updated here, then it's the problem for the admin. So for this thing, that if the amount has been made to PayU money but the status has not been updated here, then this API will update the status. As we are going to make this API, it will automatically update this status of the order after some time. Okay, so we are going to do this thing. So let's start. First of all, we are going to create the route for this API, and I am going to create the route here. After PayU money routes here, here I am going to create the route for this status API. Okay, so let's make it route get PayU money. I am going to name it like verification. Okay, first of all, I am going to verify one order only. After that, I will verify multiple orders together and will put that in Cron Job. Okay, so first of all, we are going to check one order, PayumoneyController. Okay, PayumoneyController and PayumoneyVerification. We are going to make it like PayumoneyVerification. Okay, so this is the function we are going to make. Here, public function PayU money verification. Okay, we are having the order ID, so I am going to use this order ID here, because we will send the order ID to check its status from PayU money end. Okay, suppose now we want to check the status of this ID, this order ID. So we can check the status of this order ID, and if the status from PayU money end is payment captured, then we are going to update the status here from new to payment captured. Okay, so this thing we are going to do. So here uh, I have made one blog specially for this video, so you can open that. PayU money transaction status API dot blogspot.com. You will find this one in video description as well. Okay, so this blog you need to open, and after opening you will find the API here that is running with curl. So you need to copy paste this one at your end. I will explain you. Okay, and we are first checking with one order only. We are checking the status of one order. After that we will check the multiple orders together. Okay, so and also you can find I have also posted the question a long time back. Okay, so that is transaction status API in PHP for payment gateway. So you will find up this Stack Overflow link also, where I have posted the answer long back. Okay, so this one also you can copy. This will also help you. And after I'm going to explain you. Okay, so let's copy this code. I'm going to copy this one, this complete code here up till here. Okay, I'm going to put here. Okay, so this code is in curl and provided by the PayuMoney, and here key and salt is the same key and salt that we are used with PayuMoney. Okay, so these will remain the same. These are those, and here you can see I'm going to copy this one. I am going to check one status of one PayuMoney. I'm going to check this one. Okay, 2450078. First of all, I'm going to check this one, and here status must be failed status. Okay, so I'm going to check this one, and here and everything else will remain the same. Okay, so see, you just need to keep this one provided by the PayuMoney. So you just need to keep the same API. Everything will come here. Here we are printing that what will come from this API. Just the thing that we are passing the order ID here, and we are passing the key and salt. You might need to change this key and salt when you will get your own key and salt for live PayuMoney. Okay, then you will change this one, and you will change the order ID, and nothing you need to change. You will keep it like this always provided by any API you are going to do. The API will get provided by the third party. Just you need to integrate in your website. Okay, so now I'm going to check. I'm going to run and we'll check that whether what result will come. Okay, so I'm going to run this API in new tab. Here I'm going to run, and I'm going to check here PayU money verification. Okay, so after that ID will come here. So I'm going to put this ID. Okay, so we can use this ID here. Okay, so nothing to do. We can simply do like this. Okay, so here we can pass the ID. We can pick the ID from admin panel. We want to find the status of this one, so simply I need to do verification like this one. Okay, see here some issue is coming. I'm going to check syntax error. Okay, I forgot to end this one semicolon. Okay, so I'm going to check again. So you can check here its response is we are going to check its response is failed. You can check out its response is failed. Okay, and we can check like this status, its status is failure. Okay, you can find out that its status is failure and unmapped status is failed. So this one is failed, so its response is fine. We have done here payment failed, that is correct, 100% correct. Okay, so we are going to check other orders as well. I'm going to check this one, that what happened to this order, that this is fine or not. So I'm going to check this one also. So here I'm going to check this API, and here I am checking, see the capture success. So payment has been made for this order, but here you can see the status is new. Okay, so we can update this one to payment captured. So in this case it will really helpful because the status still is new, but we need to update the status from new to payment captured. Okay, and you can also update this new status to pending status, means every time when your order get placed, when your payu money order get placed, you can make this its status as pending, and if the response comes from PayuMoney and as payment capture, then you can update from pending to payment captured, or from pending to payment failed. Okay, you can also do like this. Okay, so now you can see that its status is payment captured, so we can add here to update its status to payment captured. Okay, but this is we are just checking for one, we are just checking for one order, but now we need to make API to check for multiple orders, like we want to check last 10-15 orders together, and if there is status, if status of the order vary, then we are going to update that. Okay, automatically we are going to update that, and we will put that in cron job so that it will run automatically. Okay, we no need to do anything, it will run automatically, like we will run this API after every half an hour, it will run automatically and will update the status of the orders if in case the order status vary. Okay, so I am going to do here one more, I'm going to add here control shift D. Okay, so I have added one more. So here I am going to make it I will do like this, PayuMoney verification, only PayuMoney verification I can do, or I can even change it verify only. Or you can name it PayuMoney. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so here I can also make it like PayuMoney verify. Okay, so sorry, so I'm going to make this function PayuMoney verify. First I'm going to copy this one once again, and okay, and this one I'm going to paste, and here I am going to mention PayuMoney verify like this. Okay, so here order ID will not be there because we are going to check the last few orders. So here we can do like we can get last 30 order, get last 30 orders. Last 30 PayuMoney order. Okay, so here I'm going to write dollar orders, here order model over having order, here payment method is PayuMoney, Okay, so payment method is PayuMoney, and we are going to take last 30 orders, so we can make it like take 30, and after that order by descending, because we will get last orders first. Okay, get. Okay, so this is the uh, orders we will get. Okay, so we can check also if we want to check that whether the orders are coming fine or not. Orders JSON decode, JSON encode. Okay, so here also dollar orders. So I'm going to check once whether the last 30 orders PayuMoney 30 orders are coming or not. We can take 10 orders, not 30, because it will complex or we can just 5. You can increase it later on because it will make our task tough. We will check only 5. Okay, so I'm going to here, I'm going to add dollar orders. We'll check here, die. Okay, so I'm going to check here okay, so now see here, now here I'm going to check like this. I'm going to run one more API in place of this one. I'm going to run this Payumoney verify like this. Okay, so you can see 5 orders are coming, last 5 orders are coming. You can check their order IDs as well. It is increasing 78 20 19. Okay, it is increasing in this way. Okay, fine. So these we have got, and now I am going to use these order IDs in this one. Okay, so I require for each loop. Okay, so here after salt I am going to start the for each loop here. For each loop, uh, dollar orders as dollar order, and I am going to put everything inside this one. Okay, up till here. I'm going to check once. Yeah, everything we will put inside that. Here we can check also here. Okay, so this one we are getting the last few orders, so that is fine. And after that we have put in for each loop, that is also fine. Okay, so after putting in for each loop, I'm going to copy this code. We'll see that we put till here. Okay, 1 minute, I'm going to copy the whole code here. What is the issue? No, fine. So I am going to copy here in new like this. Okay, so I'm going to do like this for it. I'm going to copy this one and we'll replace it with the for each hour that we are using. Going to replace it with this for each like this. Okay, so now it is fine. The rest of the code I can remove, no issue. Okay, so I can check now. This one we can put cron job successfully run. This one we can put here, and this one we can remove. Okay, now we can check. See, this one we are going to run, and here you can see that if the status is success and unmapped status is captured, and if order status is payment cancelled, then we are going to update that to payment capture, because in case of success and capture we are going to update the status to payment captured. But we will first check it out that if the status is payment cancelled only, then we are going to update. Okay, so we can do this one for fail only, because we are not doing payment cancel. So for payment fail, and for making this query more or less, we can do or condition here like this, simple. Like if the status is payment fail or new, then we are going to update to payment captured. Okay, and if the status is payment captured or new, here also we can do like this. Okay, and new, then we are going to update to payment captured once again, and here I'm going to check that whether it is correct or not. Like if status is success or captured, then we are going to update the status of the order to payment captured. That is fine. But if in case, see here, control shift M. Okay, see, if the status is not success and captured. Okay, if the status is not success and captured, then we need to update the status to payment failed, not to this one. So it is wrong. I'm going to update to payment failed. Okay, payment failed. Yeah, so if this status is not success and captured, it means this status is failed. So we need to update the status of the order to payment failed. But first we will check that status must not be payment captured or new. Okay, so now that is correct. Now we are going to run this API, and we'll check that status must automatically get updated. Now you can check this status here. See the status here of this one, this new status must be updated to payment captured. Okay, because it's payment captured there, so we will run this API manually this time. So its status must get updated. So I'm going to run this one, PayuMoney verify. I'm going to run like this, and some issue has come up here. I'm going to check what issue has come up. Some kind of, I think some kind of uh, braces issue has come up here. So I'm going to check what issue exactly. For each this one is fine, and for this one, okay. I think we miss one bracket, might be like this. Now we can try. Yeah, now we can try. Okay, now we can try here. Now you can see it's running transaction, trying to get property transaction details of non-object. Okay, so I'm going to check here. Okay, this one is for this order, order status. Okay, no issue. And actually this one, we need to check this one, that what is coming here. Here it is coming transaction details. We can check like this also. Dollar value and status equal to success status. we need to debug like this. Okay, if in case it will not work, dollar value status, now it is fine. The status now it seems to be fine. Okay, I'm going to check this one. Yeah, fine. Okay, so if the status is success or captured, okay, fine. Yeah, now it is fine. And captured, then this one else payment captured or equal to new, then order where id is equal to order id. Okay, so actually we are having this order id. We need to check that order id is coming fine. Order id here, it is coming here. So I will check once again that what thing is creating issue. Nothing is creating issue so far, but something is creating issue here. I'm going to check transaction details of non-object. Transaction details, trying to get proper transaction details of non-object. Okay, so it means that one of the order is not there in PayuMoney, so that order is giving us trouble. Order where payment method PayuMoney and take 5. Okay, so of non-object. We will check whether there is something is coming at in transaction details or not. Okay, if something is coming in transaction details, then we will execute, otherwise we will not execute. So for this case we need to do something like this. If not empty or simply not, I am now experimenting a bit. Okay, so don't worry, we will check. Okay, now I'm going to check. See, Cron Job run successfully this time. Okay, so I am going to check now, and we will see that whether new status updated to payment captured or not. I'm going to refresh this one, and here I need to do like this, and now still it is new. It has not been updated, but I am going to check from the order ID. Go to check from the order ID here. Here I'm going to check from the order ID that its status must be updated to payment captured. Here you can see success and captured here. Okay, so here it must be updated to payment captured, but it has not updated to payment captured so far. So I'm going to check once that it is actually coming inside this one or not. So I can do one thing here. I can either take just one order, this order I can take in this loop, or I will check once that whether it is working or not. Test I'm going to make that how many times it is going to run, that it is actually working or not. See, test come just once, so it is not working. Most of the time it is not working. So we can check here, last PayuMoney failed, new payment captured. We can check once again. See, APIs do take some time like this. So I'm going to check once again. Here the orders that are coming, sorry, this one here, the 020, this is the ID 19 18 17 078. So all the orders are coming actually 078. Okay, all the PayU money orders are coming fine. It is fine, there is no issue. Okay, so here you can check out once again why is the issue. Payment capture, success capture. I'm going to check. It is saying payment failed. If it is payment failed, yeah, if payment failed or new, then only we are going to update. Not payment failed, it is payment failed. Now I'm going to check once again. I'm going to run this AP once again and we'll see. Cron Job test successfully, and this one we need to remove as well. I'm going to check now, and I think this time also it runs one time. Let's see if it updates the status this time. No, still not updated. And I'm going to do like this. If transaction details is coming, then it will run. Working, trying to get property transaction details of non-object. Here we need to check out. We can check here. We can convert this one to array as well, but we need to check out that whether why it is not working. So once again we need to check. Here we need to check once again. What issue is coming, and here we can disable this one for the time being, and we'll check then that how many times it will come. 1 2 3 4 5. It is coming all times, but why it is giving error, that we need to find out. If it is coming all the time, then first time it is working fine, but next time it is not displaying anything. Means first time test will come and next time test does not come at all. We need to check out why test is not coming next time. Okay, so here dollar or transaction details as dollar key, dollar value, status 1, transaction details. If we will do like this one, we are going to check it like this. if we're going to check it like this, and we'll see 1 2 3 4. See, now it's coming 4 times. 1 2 3 4 5. No, it is coming 5 times only. But still there is issue, it is not going. So we can do one more thing. We can do here, we will not do for each loop here. We can straight away do one thing here. We will directly update the status. Whatever status is coming, we can update here. Okay. So if the status is like this, first I am going to check the status of the order, that what status it will come. If we able to get that status, then it will be easier for us. Transaction details. After transaction details, order ID, how now we can get, that is really tough, how we can get the status. Okay, so it will take some time. Still we need to make this API work. I need to work on it a bit. Okay, so it will take some more time. I will do at my end, and we'll make this API, complete this API, and we'll get back to you. Then we will make it in Cron Job as well, so that it will work in every half an hour, and we will be able to update it at server end as well. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. I'm going to resolve this error at my end, and we'll get back to you. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.